Airdrop. I am one of the people that made videos about Iceberg and how you can play it and how you can get your tokens. Now the listing is going to take place very, very soon. The claiming has been on for a number of days and a number of weeks. I've made a video talking about the 1.5 ton that we are to claim, that we are to pay for claiming. And currently, I have to come today. I just talked about it as a content creator, as an influencer. I should see the end of this iceberg, not this iceberg see my end. I should be able to follow through on iceberg. And based on this, just now I made the payment of 1.5 ton to enable me to claim what the token I was given on iceberg. And that's why I'm making this video. I want to tell you that I have claimed the iceberg token and I want you to go ahead and claim it. Or if you don't want to claim it, well, that is it. So the airdrop is here. Claim iceberg with airdrop pass, and I've done that. So after I did that, it said your iceberg tokens were successfully claimed. So where it is claimed to, I don't know, but it has been claimed. So I'm going to wait and see how everything goes. So I have to make this video because I've made a video previously saying I'm not going to claim it, that people should not claim it. And since I've already claimed it now, I think it's important that I let you know that I have claimed my iceberg. I've paid the 1.5 ton. Since I've mined for a long time, I think and I feel it is good for me to also go ahead and claim. So go ahead and claim. Season 2 of the iceberg have started already. Let's claim and wait for the news about the listing date, and then we can also move on. So go ahead now. You have about 33 hours. 33 hours. So that's 1 day and a few hours to claim your iceberg tokens. I hope you are going to claim it and we are going to see. And I also hope that iceberg is going to do us well. The claiming cost me about 9,000 naira. That is the value or the cost of 1.5 ton. That's approximate. So I just hope we'll get much more than that in token and in value. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.